This bird just fell out of the tree. I think it hurt itself. Hey, baby. No, I don't want you to touch it. It's scared. It probably hurt its wing.
We just found a hurt bird.
Yeah, they saw that. What'd you say, honey?
Well, I think it wants his family back. And I'm a bit worried about that bird.
You're a bit worried?
And it fell out of your bed.
Yeah, it fell out of the tree, huh?
Out the nest.
What are we having conversations about?
And who can do it? Dive in. And who
Dive in?
with the mouth open. And I'm taking to my baby.
You're playing with the baby duck?
It's so easy.
Where are we gonna go?
To the Blake.
To the Blake?
No, beach.
Lake.
Blake.
To the Blake.
What's what?
Everybody clap your hands.
I don't know.
Yeah, they're goofy. The kids are making faces in the dirt. Huh?
But this wound in my neck. What?
It still looks fine. And Alice is in her undies because she went down the slide and the bottom of the slide was wet and now your shorts are wet, huh? Yeah. That used to be a much bigger hole. I think they probably filled it in some. Sand feel good on your toes? Yeah. You can go play in the sandbox. Getting ready to head out on the jet skis with the family. They're loading up the other vehicle behind us. I've got Jack and Alice and Ryder with me. The rest of them are in the truck, so we're just gonna go out to the lake for a little bit and enjoy the weather and then have some food. Not quite a picnic dinner or lunch, but we do have some snacks and watermelon and stuff. So hopefully it's a good time out there and hopefully the kids get along because it's been a rough morning and none of them are really playing well together. So we'll see how that goes. You're a bit big. Okay, we are at the lake, carrying our stuff down. Dad'll get the jet skis off and put them in the water. Hi, Chris. You gonna come down here with me?
No,
not yet, honey. Here, let's walk down here. What do you have?
Ice cream.
No way. Even Ryder way back there. Okay. Guys, keep it in your mouths, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's go home. Lazy boy. Hey. Give me a little Elvis smile. Just chilling. You look so tired all the time. Vroom vroom, big girl. Woo! Watch where you're going.
Mama, you remember you used to eat watermelon all this summer. You used to eat a lot of watermelon when you had me in your tummy.
And Alice. Yep, I ate watermelon during both of my pregnancies. Kind of pretty flower?
Did you have it to pee?
Yeah, and it makes you pee a lot, doesn't it? Would you like some watermelon? There's some on the plate.
What?
Show us how you kick. Kick, kick, kick. Oh, now you're gonna stop?
Kick.
Show us how you kick. Yeah, get it, get it. He's paddling his paddle boat. Popsicles?
I got pink. I got pink.
That is not pink, that's yellow.
I got one.
Okay, stop.
That's in the doorbell and
Blaze is like, where's mine? I want my popsicle, huh? Kick, kick, kick.
and
David like Jackson. Yep.
Are we almost there yet? You're running pretty fast. Alice, are you sweeping off the porch?
Sleep in, Brandy, and then we go to the lake.
Are you sweeping, Alice?
Back, go to Mackinac.
Hey, you cleaning? Yeah? You're doing a pretty good job. You just carried that leaf all the way over to your pile. And yeah, we got this.
Did you get it? Good job.
You boys look cold.
Mhm.
What are you doing? Hello?
Hello.
What are you doing?
We're freezing, so
You're freezing? Dry off. Get your clothes on. Now we're going to wind down for the night. I don't think he knows what to think. Blazer boy.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to hit that bell and that like button right down there.